Halfway through 2025, how close are you to your business goals for the year? Most consultants, coaches, and founders set big business goals for the new year, then spend the rest of the year overwhelmed, off track, or burned out. But it's not because they're lazy or lack ambition, it's because their strategy, systems, tools, and team aren't designed to support those goals. In the middle of 2025 and beyond, success online isn't about working more, it's about building smarter with AI, automation, and leverage. Let's talk about how to reverse engineer your success. So, what are your goals for 2025? For most of us, it's something like, I want to launch or grow my online business. I want to hit 6 figures or 7 figures or multiply what I earned last year. I want to stop trading dollars for hours. Behind that is the real reason. You want more time, more income, and more impact. Maybe all three. That's where most people start. They set a revenue goal like I want to hit 100K or I'm aiming for 500K, but right after that, they go off track. They list out dozens of things to do, like building a funnel, creating content, hiring a coach, joining a program. And by the second week of January, let alone the middle of the year where we are right now, they're already overwhelmed. So let's hit pause on that cycle. Let's reverse engineer what success actually requires. Step 1 is the right strategy. Start with a model that matches your goal. Take your income goal for the year. Now ask what business model supports that. It's a simple but powerful exercise. If your goal is $250K in profit, but your business is built around a $100 an hour consulting service, the math just doesn't work. You need to be billable 14 hours a day, every day, the entire year. Instead, look at scalable models, courses, memberships, digital products, selling your expertise as a service. But don't stop there. Ask yourself what kind of delivery fits your skill set and the lifestyle you want. Do you want to offer done for you, done with you, or DIY solutions? What markets already support the type of offer you want to create? Here's a pro tip, look for competition. If nobody else is succeeding in your niche with that model, that's not a blue ocean, it's a red flag. And once you've mapped out the business model, run the numbers. What would your offer need to cost? How many would you need to sell? What kind of profit margin would you need? This is where clarity begins, not in building, but in choosing the right path. Step 2 is systems. Install the infrastructure that makes success repeatable. Every expert you follow, the ones who seem to have it all figured out, they didn't get there by guessing, they built systems. Systems are what allow you to test ideas, improve quickly, and repeat what works. There are 9 essential systems nearly every business needs. Project management, the ability to define and complete work. Process management, the daily and weekly tasks to operate and improve your business. Sales funnels that attract, convert, and ascend your audience to customers. Products, the products, programs, and services that help your customers reach their goals. Content, publishing at scale to attract your audience and point them to your sales funnels. Then there's traffic, the paid traffic campaigns that amplify your organic content. And then there's marketing, the multi-channel campaigns across all of your content, ads, and email that turn leads into sales. Then once you have people coming in, sales is the process for converting them into customers and retaining them. Then there's support, how to provide great customer support so you retain and ascend your customers to your higher level programs. If even one of these systems is missing or weak, your entire business wobbles. Think of it this way, if you don't have a content system, nobody knows you exist. If you don't have a reliable traffic system, you don't have anyone seeing your content. No marketing system, you can't convert leads into customers. And no delivery or support, you burn out or drop the ball on clients and they don't come back. And here's where it gets tough, especially for solopreneurs. Trying to build and maintain all 9 systems yourself, it's exhausting and unsustainable. That's why most people plateau or burn out. But this is also where the next layer comes in. Step 3 is tools. Choose the tech that works for you, not against you. In 2025, we're not just using tech, we're collaborating with it. AI has completely shifted what's possible for solopreneurs and small teams. Many of the systems we just listed can now be supported or even partially run by the right tools. AI can help write your content, your emails, and even your landing pages. AI can triage customer support tickets or qualify leads. It can summarize meetings, track goals, and analyze data. But tools alone aren't enough. You need the right tools, ones that fit your business, integrate with each other, and are simple enough to use consistently. Start by mapping your tools to your systems. For example, your marketing system might need an email platform and a funnel builder. Your project management system needs something that supports tasks and projects and reporting. Your content system might lean on AI writing tools, various editing tools, and repurposing tools. You want to keep your stack simple. Don't chase shiny objects. Choose the smallest number of tools that meet the biggest number of your requirements at the lowest price. And always prioritize tools that include support or AI features natively because they'll give you the leverage and speed that older platforms just can't match. Step 4 is AI and team. Build a fractional team that scales with you. Here's the part most people avoid. You can't reach mid to high 6 figures or even maintain medium 6 figures by yourself. But you also don't need a big team. You need a smart fractional team powered by AI and part-time experts. Here's the mindset shift. You're not replacing people with AI. You're giving your part-time fractional team superpowers, and you're giving yourself leverage, not more work. Today, AI agents can fill roles that once required full-time hires. They can be your executive assistant, they can be your copywriter, they can be a customer service rep, they can be a researcher or a data analyst. And meanwhile, the fractional team members aligned to those roles can fill the gaps where human creativity, experience, and nuance are still critical. If you're just getting started, don't hire a VA to check your inbox and manage your email. Instead, invest in help for revenue-generating areas first. Ads and lead generation, sales support, email and content marketing, or even AI and automation. From there, use the income you generate to hire out additional tech, design, and support roles, gradually building the support you need to grow without breaking. Start lean, stay strategic, let AI and people do the heavy lifting so you can lead, create, and grow. This is how you build a business that works in 2025. You don't need more random tactics. You don't need another course you'll never finish. You need a business that's actually designed to reach your goals. That means a strategy that matches your income targets, systems that support every part of your business, tools that reduce friction and automate what can be automated, and then a fractional team that you can delegate everything else to. The net result is it amplifies your business's output. This isn't about getting it perfect on the first try. It's about building version 1, then version 2, and so on until you land on what works. Because if success takes 10 iterations, the faster you test the first 9, the sooner you win. 2025 doesn't have to be the year you burn out chasing growth. It can be the year you build a business that finally works for you. It's time to make that happen. The next step, now that you know the strategy, systems, tools, and team, is to dive into what those systems really look like. So check out the video up here next, and then make sure you do the steps in there and links below this video for more resources.